Hello, it's John Osborne. It's time for the FX Educational Outlook for the first day of September 2017. We'll start out by looking at the Aussie Swissy. We've been watching this one for a while to break out of this pennant. We've seen it break lower, break higher, and finally today, after the non-farm payroll news, it broke higher. So we saw some nice move up. Watch for that one to continue higher. The next resistance will be this previous swing high, which are just about there, and that's at 0.76915. And we're looking bullish enough to see if it can get up to the next previous pivot before that. For the euro yen, we're also still waiting for this one to break a little bit higher. We keep getting a little bit of a pullback, but we're riding along nicely underneath this consolidation trend line. So we could be still watching for this to break right about 131.453, and that will continue lower as we go forward. For the Aussie Kiwi, it also broke out nicely. We saw it break higher, pull back, and then move with some really good strength. And now we're watching some additional bullishness here. We can look for the next target on this one as of the next previous pivot, and that would bring us to right around 1.12697. In our bearish side, we've got the pound Aussie, and that one we're still waiting for that one to break lower. We're watching this weekly trend line to see if we can break through it, and that's at 1.60208, and that'll put us right about the same point as our monthly break point that we're watching. So we're going to keep an eye on that one. We are breaking through this 240-minute consolidation line here, and that is a potential entry to go lower on bearishness. We're still a little bit bullish on our MACD momentum here, so be a little careful with that one. With the Kiwi US dollar, we broke through the support of 0.71967 that we are watching, so we are dropping nice bearishness on the daily and the weekly, and our next pivot or consolidation area will be around this area here of 0.70576. For the pound loonie, also breaking lower nicely, and that one is giving us more opportunities to get in here as it waits a little bit here as it pulls back and then follows through. So let's keep an eye on this one, especially if we can break below the low of this bar right here at 1.60274. Next support we want to keep an eye on is the support trend line or support line we have from this previous pivot here at 1.57350. Finally, the euro loonie also breaking lower, following below this 1.47288 and looking pretty good. It broke below this previous trend line that we have here, and now we can watch for movement down towards our next pivot, which will probably be around this low here at 1.45313. Okay, and that'll do it for today. I hope you have a great holiday weekend. No trades. We won't be doing a trading video on Monday. We'll try to catch up again on Tuesday. And until next time, have a great rest of your day.